Hey Frozen community! Today we're going to show you how to use the cut feature in Phrozen Orca Slicer. When your model is too large to fit within the print area or needs to be split into multiple parts, you can use the cut feature to divide the model into printable sections. Let's get started. First, open Phrozen Orca and click New Project. From the top toolbar, click Add to import the model you want to slice. Once the model is loaded, enable Advanced mode in the print settings. Then, from the top toolbar, click Cut. A cutting plane will appear across the model. You can move it up and down to adjust its position, or rotate it to change the cutting angle. Position the cutting plane where you want the split to occur. Next, you can add connectors to make assembly easier. Click Add Connector, choose the type and shape you prefer, and place the connectors on the model. You can fine-tune their placement as needed. When you're done, click Confirm Connectors, then Perform Cut to complete the split. Finally, double-click on an empty area to deselect the current model. From the top toolbar, click Add Plate, then reselect and separate the parts onto different plates. And that's it, you're ready to print. That's it for our Phrozen Orca model cutting tutorial. Hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more exciting news from Frozen. I'll see you next time. Bye!